Hello, I'm Jason from DDN, and today I want to take you inside the AI factory and show you how DDN powers full-cycle AI workflows from the moment data arrives all the way through training, tuning, and inference. When people talk about AI, they often think only about model training. But an AI factory is a pipeline with many unique stages, with ingest, data preparation, model training, fine-tuning, and then inference and RAG. As data moves through these stages, the volume increases, the access patterns change, and the performance requirements get tougher. This is where DDN comes in. So each part of the AI factory has different requirements. Ingest needs high-speed bulk writes. Prep needs metadata intelligence. Training needs high IOPS and parallel access. Fine-tuning needs fast checkpoints and fast restarts. And lastly, inference and RAG needs sub-millisecond data retrieval. Now, traditional storage can't keep up with all of this. You don't need just fast hardware, you need a data platform built for AI workflows. And DDN delivers exactly that, a data intelligence platform designed to feed every part of the AI factory. And this isn't about a single feature or a single product. It's the combination of three core elements. First, high-performance data access. High performance provides low latency data delivery, massive parallelism, and consistent training throughput. Next is intelligent metadata and data services, which provides fast lookups, tagging and indexing, and data movement automation. And then third is multi-protocol access for every workload, which gives you object for AI pipelines, file for training, and APIs for queries for metadata-heavy tasks. Now, these capabilities allow DDN to support the entire AI factory pipeline, not just one single stage. So let's walk through that pipeline, but this time with DDN underneath it. So first, on ingest. DDN accelerates ingestion, whether you're pulling in logs, video, embeddings, or structured data with high throughput and parallel writes. For prep, this is where metadata intelligence matters. With fast queries and multi-protocol access, DDN speeds up labeling, tagging, indexing, and transforming data selection. For training, this is the heart of the AI factory and where DDN shines. DDN delivers the parallelism, low latency, and high throughput needed to keep GPUs saturated and eliminating data stalls. For fine-tuning, model checkpoints, reloads, and partial retraining all benefit from fast, predictable I/O. And then for inference and RAG, as models move into production, DDN supports high-speed object access and metadata lookups, so inference stays fast and responsive. Metadata plays a critical role in inference, minimizing data movement and maximizing speed. So with DDN powering the AI factory, you get faster training, higher GPU utilization, shorter time to insight, more efficient pipelines, and unified data access for every workload. And because the platform is built for scale, you can grow that from a single team to a global AI factory without re-architecting storage every 6 months. AI access isn't just about GPUs. It's about keeping data flowing intelligently across the entire pipeline. That's what the DDN Data Intelligence Platform is built to do. Thanks for joining me today on this tour of Inside the AI Factory.